Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide indicators on TradingView, and now let's dive right in. Now, to hide the indicators on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone, and after opening your TradingView app, guys, you land on this interface on the watch list section. Tap on the charts button at the bottom left corner of the screen, just beside the watch list, and you land over here where you can see the two indicators currently I have added to my charts over here. And these are the two charts I've added to my charts on my charts, I guess. And currently you can see there, when I tap on that particular indicator, you can see the three buttons appearing, and this is the I button. Now I had hidden it earlier, so in order to hide it again, just tap on the I icon, the first one over here, and that indicator will be hidden. Similar process goes to each indicator on your chart. You can see these are two indicators I have been using. Now in order to hide them, just tap on the I icon over here, again tap on the I icon over here, and those indicators will be hidden from your charts on your TradingView app. And guys, this is how to hide indicators on your TradingView account on your app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.